Hi students, it's Erin. I hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 4. During week 3, we really worked on building up our ideas for our first essay project. And in week 4, we'll be moving on to kind of developing them further and considering the writing. So how are we going to take all the great ideas that you've brainstormed in the different class discussions and exercises and start to move that into a written essay structure? We'll also be working on Marxist theory this week, which is why I included this picture. This is from Wall Street, where a statue of a girl was recently placed sort of opposite the statue of the bull, as a reminder of the lack of gender equity on Wall Street. But I thought since we're doing Marxist theory this week, it would be useful to give you some art that um, relates to and critiques financial institutions, which is part of what Marxism does. Let us take a quick look at our Canvas page so you can see the assignments for the week. So here's our Canvas page for week 4. The focus of this week is to take our ideas and start moving them into essay form. So like you see, there aren't many assignments for this week because I wanted to give you enough time to really work on writing out your ideas as an essay. So for our readings and videos for this week, you're reading a chapter from your textbook called Critical Reading Getting Started. This is the second chapter of the book, and at least part of the chapter, if not the whole chapter, is available as part of that Amazon preview. So if you still don't have a copy of the book, you can read the chapter through Amazon, or at least part of it. Um, You'll also be looking at a few different videos about Marxist theory. And as I think we've talked about before in class, Marxist theory is not about how Marxism was actually enacted in governments around the world, but it's about Marx's philosophical ideas about how the economy shapes society. So it's about his philosophical ideas and his way of seeing the world, and the ideas that other philosophers built on after Marx. And then the other thing you'll be reading is a short article called The Rise and Fall of Internet Art Communities. When we meet in class this week, we'll be talking about our reading process and also how to apply Marxist theory to this first essay. So once we learn what Marxist theory is, how are we going to make it part of the essay that we are working on? You also have the option of using eco-critical theory, but Marxism is one option, and it's one that tends to work really well for this paper. And then the assignment that's due for this week is to write your review draft, which is a rough draft of the first essay that is 3 pages long, that's mostly paragraph format and already includes some research. So it's a little more formal than the topic proposal assignment that you submitted earlier in the semester. Now it's starting to form itself into an essay. You'll be posting your review draft by Friday, September 18th, and you'll be doing peer reviews for your classmates that are due by Sunday, September 20th. And then during week 5, we'll be making our final touches on the essay, so you're ready to turn it in at the end of that week. So that's our work for this week. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. You can always reach me by text, by email. You can also meet me during student hours. I am happy to meet with you to do whatever I can to help you with the material. Please have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.